Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you the latest update on Erudites Game. On 22nd of July 2020, we started rewarding people based on the point they score every week. So right now on the home page of this website, I will go straight to the menu and I will click on the weekly point reward. From the weekly point reward, I will show you exactly how we select the winner of the weekly point reward. We reward the user with the highest point every single week. So if you go ahead and read this, dear Erudites Gamers, we have added a new reward opportunity for the best gamer every week. On this page, you will see the top 10 gamers and their points. The winner will be the user with the highest point during the period. Note, we only reward gamers that participated in the real game and collected over 120 points. We are not going to reward people who played the demo game. We are only rewarding people who play the real game, and that is why you have to read about this before you decide to contact us for your reward. We have the top 10 users and the first person here is Joel 100. So this is the winner of the last week reward and we have remitted the money to this particular user's account. So we can go straight to the forum to confirm if this person has seen this money or not. So right now in the forum is basically for us to share information and for the users to give feedback whether they have been paid or not. So on the winners forum, you will see, if I click on that, I'll be able to see the discussions in that particular forum. So as you can see here, this is a post by Joel, and if you click on it, you will see exactly what it says. So Joel posted that I won 1,000 naira last week and the money is sent to me today. Below is my proof of payment. So as you can see, the payment has been made and Joel has confirmed that he has received his money. This is the new opportunity on Erudite Game. We'll be rewarding people based on the points they score every week on the platform. Go ahead and join the rig game and start playing so that you can qualify to be among the winner of the weekly reward. Also, this does not stop you from winning if you play the rig game and meet the requirement. So go ahead and register with Erudite Game and start making money every single day. Thanks for watching the video and bye for now.